Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So today I wanted to have a look at the 20 cent coins from 2011. So as we can see in front of us, there is four 20 cent coins from 2011. Three of them commemorative and one of them is the Platypus. So what I wanted to have a look at was have a look at each of the coins and talk about value as well as mintage. So to start off 2011, we've got the Platypus, which is the common coin across basically all years. And sorry about my fingers, they're a little bit coloured. I've been doing some smoking on the barbecue. But this is the 2011 20 cent coin, which is the most common and has a mintage of 15.1 million on that one there. Alright, the second coin we've got here is the International Year of Volunteers. So that's the 10th anniversary of the event, and this one obviously is a 2011 coin. There we go. And this one here has a mintage of 6.1 million. So it's quite a nice design, and all the people around the border and the wreath. But yeah, that's that one. The next one is the International Women's Day, which has just happened in the past few days, and this one here is 100 years. To celebrate the 100 years anniversary of the beginning of International Women's Day back in 1911. So yeah, each and every year this is celebrated, and they've depicted it on the 2011 20 cent coin. And the final commemorative for 2011 was the royal wedding of Prince William and Catherine Middleton, and it's depicted on this coin, and there's a rose in the bottom there. I'm not too sure about really the likeness of Catherine Middleton, but I'd say that they've probably depicted Prince William not too badly. But let's have a look at the other side of that, and it's the 2011. Each of these coins have been taken from circulation, and this particular one, I'm not sure if I mentioned the mintages of the other ones, but this one here has a mintage of 10.10 million. The International Women's Day has a mintage of 6.8 million. And the International Year of Volunteers, which is this one, has a mintage of 6.1 million. So a total for the whole year of around 37 million 20 cent coins were produced in 2011, which is probably on average with the sort of 20 cent coins that they're producing most years. Yeah, certainly if I'm looking at the other mintages, it's sort of up there, but obviously they split it over four coins. So dollar value, really these coins are not worth much, and it's sort of a good thing in a way, because these coins, you want to have one of each of them for your 20 cent coin collection. Yes, they're not too hard to find. Obviously grade is something you want to try and keep as high a grade as you can find. And the good thing about the price being low and that these things are in abundance is the fact that that also keeps the price down. So really, for about $2 to $3 posted, you could buy a very good high grade coin from 2011. So well worth looking out for and completing a set. And yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll bring another video to you soon.